Welcome back. Begin by drawing a large rectangle for the base of the sofa. This is where we'll sink into ultimate comfort. Connect the arms to the base with curved lines. Imagine you're giving your sofa a big, friendly hug. At the top of the stand, draw a slightly wider rectangle for the lampshade. Draw a tall, slender rectangle for the lamp stand. Let's color. Orange. Let's add a pop of orange to the center of the sofa backrest. Orange is such a lively and warm color, making our sofa a super cozy and stylish spot to relax. Yellow. Let's add a touch of sunshine to the left and right sides of the sofa back, making our sofa radiate warmth and happiness. Blue. Let's introduce a calming blue to the arms of our sofa. Blue is a calming and soothing color, making our sofa a perfect place to unwind. Brown. Red. Absolutely! Let's add a bold and vibrant touch with red to the base of the sofa. Green. Time to infuse our lamp with a burst of freshness. Brown. Take your brown paint or crayon and carefully color the long stand of the lamp. See you in the next video.